Which does better on grout, Fantastic or Barkeeper's Brand? And we'll try some more over here with Barkeeper's Helper or Friend. And then we're gonna put some water on it. Just basic water. Let that soak in. And then we're gonna brush both. Brush the Fantastic first, and then this one. All right, here we go with the Fantastic. Wipe it off. That's pretty quick. It looks pretty good. Gonna rinse this off real quick. And here we go. I did scrub this a little bit longer. There you go. Looks like the Fantastic did a little better job. You be the judge.